Good morning. Let's take a tour of the office of our renowned pulmonologist, the past president of Indian Chess Society, and past president of National College of Chess Physicians. He has been a national corona expert and has been instrumental in controlling COVID-19 in first wave as well as second wave. So I just want to have a tour of this great place wherein there are accolades, his achievements, and various certificates are being displayed. This always fascinates me and inspires me. And there are a lot of certificates and there are a lot of awards which are still unpacked and right there in the different self of Professor Surya Kant. I think one thing which is I don't understand is how does he manage time? Time management for him is something which is an art. He has been taking out time for the society, for humankind, for patients, and for dharma karma. We can see his close affiliations with the national leaders and his awards and rewards being received as a token of appreciation. And to just name few, this is the latest award which he has got, that is Uttar Pradesh Ratna Award Samman, which is his latest one. Then he has got Vigyan Gaurav Samman. This also reminds me to state here that he is among 2% of scientists of the world. So he's amongst 2% identified scientists around the universe. And as I was just talking, I think numerous certificates and numerous accolades, national, international recognitions, and this is all I think is a great inspiration. So our best wishes and uh, regardful thanks for your contribution to the society, Professor Surikant. God bless you, sir. Bye bye.